Welcome back to Expose, coming to you from the RDS for Expose Live. Now, if the idea of having a foreign or synthetic substance injected into your face is a complete turn-off, then listen up. Aisling has found out about a new treatment that actually uses the plasma in your blood to fight wrinkles.
If you want to look younger without the frozen wind tunnel look, you might be interested in a treatment that uses your own blood cells to turn back the hand of time.
It's MyCell's Platelet Rich Plasma, and it's a completely natural solution to the problem of aging skin. It can have similar effects to Facelift.
Well, first of all, where did it come from?
It originated, I suppose, orthopedics use it, maxillofacial surgeons use it for bone building and for wound healing. So that's where it has originated from. And some of the maxillofacial surgeons have reported that the skin that actually grows around the area that has been treated is far superior to the skin in the rest of the face.
So talk us through the process. What happens?
First, we cleanse the skin. We numb the area with a numbing cream, so that reduces the pain for the patient. And then we take the blood, and then it's put in the centrifuge and spun down, and we separate the red blood cells from the platelet-rich plasma. We then remove the top 2 mils of plasma. That's the platelet-poor plasma, and we're left with enriched platelet-rich plasma. Platelets are the most important component in the blood, and they trigger the healing process. They're full of growth factors, and they're what causes the healing. So really, we're in the very same way as if you cut your hand or whatever, the platelets rush to that scene and heal, so you get a new skin.
The beauty about this treatment is that there's no fear of your body rejecting its own blood.
Absolutely. You cannot reject it and you cannot react to it, because it's your own blood cells, your own platelets that are creating the healing process within the skin. And the result of this is a tightening effect, reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, and fresher skin.
Now, I think you look great, but what did you think was wrong with your face before this treatment?
Well, I had a few lines, and a good few lines, and it obviously came to a time I decided I better do something.
A lot of women think of Botox around this stage. They think that maybe it just frees the lines altogether. Why this treatment and say not Botox?
It's totally natural. It's my own product, my own body going into me, and there's no reaction towards it.
And then one thing, say you have some kind of condition where there's something wrong with your blood. How do you figure that out?
We do a very, very thorough medical history prior to the treatment with each patient, and it is contraindicated in patients who have blood disorders. We don't treat patients who would have skin cancer, and those are basically it, or if they're on high doses of medication.
Prices at Limerick's Otto Clinic start at €400 per session, and if your wrinkles aren't too deep, one session could last you up to 18 months. For more information, just log on to theottoclinic.ie.